How y'all are? It's your native Flor-xan, and we're doing something a little different today. Gonna do some tri-tip, so hang in there and let's get into it. Now, I don't claim to be a tri-tip expert. I do know it's a good cut of meat. I know in California they make a big deal about tri-tips and cooking them on open pits and things like that. So when I first seen them here in Texas and tried one, I've cooked them out on the open grill like that. They do come out great. But putting them on the pellet grill, adding that smoke to it, just gives it a whole new world of flavor. It's cheaper than brisket, and it's just enough to make a couple of meals for me and the wife. Some people from California might think it's sacrilegious, but I've trimmed that fat cap off. I got it right here. I'm gonna render it down for some tallow. But all I'm gonna do is spritz this with a little olive oil. Then we're going to go on with some chupacabra chop house seasoning. We're going to cover it real well, catch all the sides. And we're just going to set this in the fridge and kind of let that seasoning marinate on it for a few hours before we take it out to the smoker. Alright, so a tri-tip's been in the refrigerator probably 4 or 5 hours or so. We're just going to take it out and we're going to let it come up to room temp, and then we're going to hit it with some more of our seasoning. Got the pit coming up to temp. We'll get it out there, get it on, and show you how we cook this dude up. Alright, here we go. We got the pit up. We got it set on 250. Again, the center here over this pod is the hottest. I'm just going to open that sear and place our tri-tip right there in the middle. Let it run. We'll be checking it periodically, probably flip it a couple of times, but looking for an internal tip of about 150, 155. Alright, we're going to give our tri-tip a check. Take and flip that dude over. Oh yeah, it's coming along. Alright, we're going to give this a flip. Look pretty good. Give her the old temperature check here. Right in the thickest part. So we're starting to come up on a medium rare. We'll let it run another 10 minutes or so. Alrighty, folks. Going to take it off and pan it up and let it rest like you would a good steak. Alright, so our tri-tip's been resting for about 10 minutes, and I don't know if y'all can see that. Got some good juices in the pan. We're just gonna take that out. Now, the way I like to slice this is I like to go, the grain's running this way, so I'm going to kind of cut it on a bias across that grain. Like so. I'm going to cut it kind of thin. We're just going to slice this up like so. But you notice that's still got a good medium rare feel to it. Still a little red in there. That's what you want. You don't want to cook it to a well done. This is how we like ours. You could cook it to a little bit rare if you want, but you can see as I'm cutting it, that juice pouring out. That's exactly how we like to eat it. Cut it in thin slices like so. Little bit of horseradish, and let this dude rip. I got my dogs scratching at the door here. They know what I'm doing. There you go, all cut up. Let's grab a slice here and try her out. Tender as can be, buddy. Got good flavor. So normally what I do is put that chupacabra on there because I don't want to heavily season it. I want to be able to taste this beef here. and this beef is excellent. Now normally we would take this on some good crusty bread, a little horseradish or some spicy mustard, a little provolone cheese, throw that dude together on a sandwich, and it's excellent. But since we're eating kind of low carb, we'll just eat it as is with a little bit of creamy horseradish, and I'm telling you, it is phenomenal, fantastic, just like that. I hope you get a chance to try tri-tip. It's cheaper than brisket, and I know you're going to enjoy it. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.